Wanna make your character sing like they're on American Idol? Let's unlock the magic of AI lip syncing with Kling. First, head over to the Kling AI website. You'll need to create an account or log in if you already have one. It's free to sign up. Once you're logged in, find the upload button. We're going to upload to files the audio you want your character to sing and the video of your character's face. Make sure the audio is clear and the character's face is clearly visible. Now, patiently wait for the files to upload. The time it takes depends on the file sizes and your internet speed, so go get some water. After uploading is complete, you might have some basic setting adjustment options. Experiment with them if you want. Now, simply wait for the AI to process your video. This might take a few minutes, depending on the complexity of the audio and video. Once it's done, preview your lip-synced video. If you're happy with the result, hit that download button and voila. Your character can now sing. It's as easy as that.